Salmon is one of my favorite things to cook with, and I have a wonderful side dish to go with it today.
So what are we making?
We are making a lemon wine sauce to go with our noodles and our salmon. It's going to be delicious. So while I get this sauce started, I want you to prep the salmon.
What do I do to prep the salmon?
A little bit of salt and pepper. It's really easy. You can't mess it up.
So you want to put it on this unstick sheet, right?
On the unstick sheet. I love using unstick. It's so great to cook with.
How much of this do you want?
Whatever you would want on your salmon.
I like lots of pepper though.
I know, but there's salt mixed in there too, so don't.
So then
don't be too aggressive with it. Yeah, and then season the other side. Absolutely.
There we go.
So while my butter's getting melted here, this is a really easy sauce, guys. It's not hard at all. Get your butter melting in a pan.
That's a lot of butter.
I know it is. Actually, I think I'm going to take a little bit of that out. I'm going to put some flour in. Do you want to get me a fork there?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to take out
You want to take a little bit of that?
just a little bit of this out.
A little less heart.
Little bit heart attack.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can get this out. Here we go.
Here, let me.
We'll take a tablespoon out of here.
I'm sure that's going to save a year in our life.
You won't feel those arteries harden quite as quickly. I'm going to lower this a bit. Okay, I want you to throw in some dill. So the flour is going to thicken this up just a little bit. Fresh dill is, so aromatic, wonderful to cook with. You know what? Put a little bit in. Absolutely. Okay. I want you bring those muscles out. Squeeze half a lemon into this.
Squeeze it just like old school.
A little lower.
A little lower. Well, where do I?
Squeeze, man. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze it.
They have tools for this. I just want to.
They also have lemon juice in bottles. You know that too, right? But there's nothing like fresh. Oh, now do you get a sense of that fresh lemon juice in there?
I do, on my hands.
Now we're going to add in our garlic.
Okay.
These all go together. I know. So you're seeing the sauce start to come together a little bit, right? I'm going to add just a little more flour to this. The flour thickens it a little bit. I want you to throw in a splash of wine for me.
Oh, I like. Ooh.
This is delicious. Good. A little more.
Oh, a little more. Oh, wow.
A little more. Just a white wine. Perfect.
A little more, but not too much.
Not too much. Good. So you want to cook this so it starts to, look, you can see it come together, right?
Yeah, it's thickening.
Absolutely. So then we've got some sliced up fennel. Throw that in. We're going to cook that down a little bit. And we're going to be adding in our noodles. Now, what I love about these noodles, this is by No Yolks.
Okay, cool.
So it's a cholesterol-free pasta.
Which we'll need after all this butter in our dish.
All the butter in it. You got to have some balance,
no cholesterol in the noodles.
You gotta balance
the cholesterol on top.
And I love these noodles so much. I'm so excited. Everybody is going home with some today. So special thank you to No Yolks. Okay, you know what? I want a little more wine in that.
Got a little more wine? My gosh.
This is the fun part of cooking, guys. You go a little back with there.
And
I'm a lush with
on the
my
Marc
cooking.
Mandy show.
No, it's great.
Okay.
Wine's great for cooking and can even put it in the food, right?
Yeah, I'm wondering where my glass is because I could be sipping some wine while watching you cook.
I want you to throw in a handful of spinach. We're going to let this reduce down. Spinach does not take long to wilt, guys. Just a little more. Okay. Beautiful. So while your salmon's in the oven, you'd broil it.
Okay, so this goes in the oven.
That would go in the oven. I'm going to lower this down a bit. Your spinach is starting to wilt. Just another few seconds. I want you.
Such a good job here.
Thanks. I want you to pop some pasta.
It's all about brownie points.
Put some pasta here. So we have our pasta already cooked. I love these spiral noodles. That's great.
A little more?
Yeah, a little more.
Okay. Cool.
We're going to turn this off. We're just going to toss. You know what? I'm going to trade you out for the tongs.
Oh, you want some tongs?
Yep. Well, for more of these recipes, you can visit marcandmandy.com.
Well, guys, that's all the time we have today. We will see you next time on The Marc and Mandy Show.
Doesn't this just look delicious?
Yeah, it does.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.